This na mechanic road for Ogbeson quarter. If you see now, this Vietnam bridge now they call am this tiny bridge wey they pass. Now here locals here they pass go they access their house. As you see that small gate just now, now here pass. Those people now one of these locals of this area, they just close from church. So now I run into there. Meanwhile, I'll go try beg them. May I interview them, but me I shock una. Now where that small gate pass just now, I believe so. You can see the depth of that place. And you see this man said they come. Waka pass. You see the depth of that place. Naija watch. You can see CIB for mechanic road for Ogbeson quarter. Now here those children. This gully just a go down, But meanwhile, me I waka go, me I go look. Here now another town under Ikpobawaka abi?
Yes.
Yes, under Ikpobawaka local government. As you can see, let me take the risk. Me I take nearer. The purpose of doing this thing now to draw attention of state government. As you can see, may I go close to that, and to draw attention of Edo State government to this gully where it don't condemn this area. As you can see, houses on both sides. So those people have to cross through that bridge just now to get to this side of the road, as the locals are suffering. So now I make Naija Watch carry the waka come here to draw attention on the state government, to also draw attention on federal government to these gully issues where they ravage Benin. As I talk to you now, almost every area of Benin, of Edo State, it dey for Aunchi, it dey for different place, as you can see. See how now the gully be this. Me I dey fear. Me I no go fall inside. And the thing don't carve reach the edge like this. As you can see. Where those who just they go so now this gully. They now just take over around. As you can see. As you can see like this. Now the gully be this. For Ogbeson Mechanic Road. Okay, the alley street. So now it be this so as you can see now the gully now it be this so for the alley street. Although some people they why they call it Mechanic Road too.
And that is formerly there was a mechanic workshop down here.
Okay, sir.
There was a mechanic workshop.
Well done, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, your name, sir?
My name is Peter Okomina.
Okomina, Domo, sir. This na Naija Watch. Na Edo people wey dey outside this country, dey abroad, obodo Igbo land. They don tire for us various complaints they dey hear. Na that complaint they don tire. Na e born this Naija Watch wey dey work so. For this same Naija Watch, this program wey we take the interview, they call am Ewanta Tamegbe Ewanta. Sir, abeg na pidgin program so that may everybody hear am well, may sing down. Wetin be the challenge is the name of this street, the history behind this place, may you just tell us.
This road is called Ediale Street.
Ediale
Street.
Okay, sir.
Ediale Street. That's the name after the palace.
Okay.
Yes, Ogbeson quarter.
Okay, sir.
Formerly, when I was here alone, I parked into this place 1990. Here is more trouble. But who see this place today? You can think that for the past 20, 30 years, there's no road here. This thing happened just about 8 years ago. About 8 years ago.
When this problem start?
When this problem start. When it started, we start crying. During Lucky Igbinedion's time, we ride this thing. No result. We cried to Oshomole. Even during Oshomole's regime, this road was signed to a contractor.
Okay.
Instead of naming it to
Madam, now they put road for dirty for here.
under
See, I catch you for camera. Ministry Environment go come meet you for us. As you can see, sorry sir, there are some of the challenges, irresponsibility, and irresponsible attitude of our people. Just imagine one local for this area. You see carry small pikin, he come. Now the pikin wey carry come now go to say na way of life. Na be that because na wetin dey teach pikin, na dem dey hear, na dem dey see. And you see that bag, that bako bag, that danko the bag there, na that lady to wait for here just now.
Because of this, because of this matter, they now took
So Oga, I just want talk to that lady just now. So sir, talk to me. More continue from where you stop.
This road is more trouble.
Yes, sir.
But within the shortest time, the road collapsed. We now, Oshomole government came in, they budgeted this road. It
Yes.
came out in a budget. I think 1980,
No.
in 1990, or is it 2000? It should be 2000.
Under Oshomole first regime.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Sir.
So they now, instead of them to name it under Ekpobaoka, they now add it to Unhode.
Yes.
That is where the conflict starts.
Yes.
As we battle all two, we couldn't get the result again. This is why the road is like it.
So the road now they not do one.
The road they not do it.
They not go use the money the budget go. They use and they do.
For other things.
Okay, they use and do for other road for that side.
That's all.
Now not can no
We
understand.
don't know where then you can't use the money again.
Okay.
So we have been battering from one government, from one place to another. We went to environmental. We went to governor.
We Minister of Environment.
Minister of Environment.
Okay, sir.
Even if you get there now, you will see our name there. In the office.
The letters on are all right. On the get copy.
Yes.
Who the letters they with?
They with my secretary.
Okay. If you need copy of those letters, you see CM provide give us.
Why not? Even
Okay.
the budget, they say all of them. They
Okay, the budget paper you get.
Yes,
Those same budget at that time you get the
you
copy.
get the copy.
Go. God bless you, sir. Now for that, if you say dey around, I go kukuma your way more collector.
They're not there around.
That's for that
If
one,
it
sir.
is- If it is my brother,
Yes.
I can promise him by evening today,
Okay.
I will search for the papers and bring them out.
Okay, sir. So what is your message to the current governor of Edo State?
The current government of Edo State, we are now appealing to him, crying seriously to him to come and rescue us. Look at this building. Look at the building. It's
Yes.
collapsing. This is the front. At the back, there is no room again. Okay, down to the church. So let's go and I'll show you more.
Okay, as you can see, na Ediale Street, na be this where this grass just follow now. Na gully, better o. Na I follow inside o. This area na under Ekpobaoka local government area of Edo State. Na this gully dey so. As you can see, where the locals dey talk just now, that man na the Ojon way of this area, of this particular place. In the talk just now, how they don capture am for budget, how they come mistake am out of this government local government go write another name of local government put, they battle write letter all till now their eyes see dey road. Maybe one day they fit come do the road, but meanwhile as we dey waka we go continue to unfold all the things wey dey happen within our communities to the world and to draw attention of government so that they go rise up to their responsibility. When you see problem, e no really hard, and part of it na be this one, that people don abandon properties because of the road insecurity and other challenges. You can see that place that coconut dey na house still dey under construction. It has been abandoned. This place you are looking at now supposed to be the road. The erosion Yokukuma take advantage. He just cut the road into two because they say water must find its level. So as you see here na another street. So this is the street of the name of the street of Ojon Way, where the Ojon Way dey. So now the same area we dey so that Oka number one Oka Dum me I no me sorry o. Those of now wey dey hear Ojon wey since mo I no use am no be the man say be Ojon wey o. Na me dey talk am but him don correct me say na Oka Dum say the community get your leadership. Well done sir. So na Idiale street na we still dey but the main street na gully erosion dey. Na gully carry so na side na we dey follow. Na side we dey follow so. So we dey follow them, more dey follow the matter dey go. So that make those state government make dem open their searchlight, go look that budget, who chop the money or whether they implement am. That question na the book na go tell us that one. As e be say when you give Paul something, let am be for Paul, not divert am go give John. Or maybe one person come e dey powerful from one other side, they write John they go give Samuel. And this one na common practice wey dey happen for this place. As you see say na private school be this before. Okay.
There is a healthy gully here before.
Okay.
Leading to that very gully.
Okay.
The owner of this school now look at it. He cannot move away from here after spending money here.
Yes.
He decided to use refuse and the lateral. After using refuse, he now put lateral on top.
On top.
To enable the place. If you go down now, there's a very big hole there again.
Yes.
But that one is not as powerful as this again.
Okay.
So let's go straight.
Okay. Well, na that gully side for Ogbesan for AK Mechanic Road, where they call Idiale Street. Now we see they go past through so. Meanwhile, I want go see the gully for the other side. So now the gully now be this so. Okay. So I fit enter here.
Yes.
I not fall inside.
No.
Okay. I want to enter this gutter. Na that word more than say am in case I don't come out here na know where I from enter. So na the gully.
Okay.
Na they go so you see here na nearly do some work here. I don't fit pass here because say other small thing like red ties fit dey na know say me I not prepare for that one now. So now here the gully here go see me the gully for here for this part of it. See now all this channel now will be now the pass go so. Okay. Hey, blood of God. Hola. Hola like this. Abenamo. Maybe they. I see get stamina. I see strong. Thank you, brother. As we did, now the same waka we did. You see and see children full everywhere, not me talk am o. Oh God. Ja. This one I do state, I been no, I'm not sure, Oga. Oga, Muna tell me when I carry me go. Yeah, not be Edo State.
No, Edo State too.
Oga, not agree. Yeah, not be Edo State. Muna tell me when I carry me go. Oga, na lie. Say na lie.
No way. It's even deeper than this. And this are refuse that they control up and down. So.
Yeah, na refuse dump site.
It's not just for them to help us with all this now. When we dey cry to government, we don't see this.
Who can dey pack those one here now?
Well, I cannot tell about those who are putting it.
Okay, you can see now that house it don't go.
This house
It's completely off. You can see that now I say Ogbesan quarter. Now dey now. Now gully for people to ensure say they feed the gully, and can they put dirty to reclaim the land. Since say those wey dey authority, they no gree answer those locals wey dey here. I think this one not be the best way to salvage the problem. Now for government to come out with better policy and better work to ensure say they do the needful. Because like this dirty wey dey here now, this one na money of his own. If government or through private investors get recycling plant, this one na multi-million naira. Na even dey waste here so. still the second one give joy to people and dirty go be thing of the past to see am for road. Cause when me know say if I carry 10 sachet of pure water go where the recycling plant, they fit give me like 10 naira. I no go throway am for ground, I go gather am no go see am for ground. When me even see with mistake, I go pick am go sell am. I think at this point Edo State government may rise up to responsibility, because people dey cry. We no good say this guy go cry this year, we go cry next year, and I say cry, we dey cry come all this why. Na I make Edo in diaspora wey dey abroad put their heads together to say make Naija watch dey waka from community to community, so that they fit draw attention of those wey were led into power, into offices, make dem come to the aid of people, to the people wey elect them, so that me I want this kind of year. Okay, hope dey here. No, hope dey here. I see the one place here. I get hope here. So na here they tell say me I no go. Na as e bad reach be that. So that we come to their aid. Oga, not too near that place. We not good there. We are different here. They see am. So that Oga Chief come back because I not fit run 800 meters. So as e be, so every individual don carry effort to solve this problem, to salvage the situation, but e no work because na government na get the muscle through budget and other things to fix this thing. And when they fix this thing, life go comot normal, issue of insecurity go comot, and other challenges like you no know. If you look this environment now, you see and say this one fit cause outbreak of epidemic. And we dey fight against coronavirus, we dey fight against Lassa fever, we dey fight against different ailments, but this one, the sickness wey dey this environment, they no fit counter. They don't fit counter am at all, because when you see the environment, me wey dey talk so, me go need to go treat myself. At the order wey dey here, no be small thing. I beg the relevant authority, make dem rise up to their various duties as the people count on them, because the people no get power to do this thing on their own. On the part of the people, those one wey e decide to condemn our environment, well, me I dey look dem say dem no know wetin dem dey do. Make government come out with measures, wey government do the needful, put on the set the motion in place, so that people will follow. Because when things bad small, our people dem dey finish am well. There is no doubt about that. So because of that, e no good to give attention or the opportunity for things to take spoil small, may not come spoil finish. As I see there, so na the same Ogbeson nowadays near Idiale Street. I don pass here. Now back of the church and one private school dey here. What is the name of this church? Assemblies. Na behind Assemblies of God Church. Ogbeson na Ogbeson 2. Na so make dem look am. Okay. Now Ogbeson 1 o, because I don talk, so may I come carry this camera. May you face. Una know say na front of this church na be this so Assemblies of God Church Ogbeson 1. So as they talk, they said just make try to ensure say may this erosion not this gully not pass this one. But as we know, wetin pass person don pass person. The power this work it don pass them. That's why we come Naija Watch come here, come show the people of the world and Edo State government, if they never know, make them let if the people wey near them not tell them. Our own duty, anyhow people interpret this thing wey Naija Watch dey do, so it no be our business. But our own business be say make government know say place like this dey Benin, make Ministry of Environment know say place like this dey Benin, make Ministry of Health know say if they no do am, all those grammar wey dey speak for tele na zero, because the sickness wey dey here they no fit count am. Na the site I say follow dey go, so as you can see, no be village, na Benin City, capital city of Edo State, Ikpobaraka local government area of Edo State, Nigeria, West Africa. Now we dey so, but I wan ask one question myself. Na myself dey ask this question. You sure say the people, you sure say government think say na people dey here, be na animal dey here? Because if I sure say government think say na human beings dey here, therefore don do the needful thing. Government na everything. Government I mean na be regulator of everything. Government supposed to regulate this place, regulate how things go be for this state, because because the wahala wey dey no be small o. If not checked the problem wey dey no be small. My brother, stay here because you na locals here. I never interview. I wan ask you question. You are one of the locals here, so good. Oya, my brother, well, what is the situation like? Na pidgin language o. You know say I no go school, so abeg speak am the way our people go hear.
Wetin dey there be say.
Your name, sir?
My name na Lefty Daniel Ahameji.
Okay.
Wetin dey there be say, as you can see now.
Yes.
As we dey cover all here the tons, everywhere I dey see, so na true. This one na wetin we don dey suffer for here for the past how many years. And this thing no be say this thing even by the history now, you go discover say this thing don even dey before they even born me. Because of this road, e don even dey before they born me. So it has become just now this bad road. Because according to am just now, if you trace the history, you discover say e don tey when this thing be like this. So not be okay. So
you now how many years do you say this thing wey dey ever born you? They tell say during the time of Oshomole or Lokigbinedion, na the thing start. They come write letter. Okay. Oshomole come put am into his record, into his budget. Come budget now, budget come, e no come. People say they right, e no work. So this way they talk. So now let me say by 8 years or so.
Okay, let me quick on you. Wetin dey try talk be say.
Okay.
When I say e don dey there before they born me, you know some kind time we dey want maybe say something don escalate before we start to dey act. Okay. You understand? This thing na wey you see for here, so not be today e start, but e don dey generate dey come small small. Na im be wetin I use am me before then. Yes. So I dey be the na wetin dey fit fight that time for not reach like this. So. Okay. So na im be when I mean say e don born. No be say this thing don dey for the but because of the time when e take dey ground before e come reach like this, na im be that. So this thing don dey disturb many places, many people when e dey this environment. And if you look at many landlord and landlady when build house for this place, they no fit enjoy a better house. They no fit put ten ant for house because nobody wan come this kind area come rent house. Low road. So the thing dey somehow. If you will see church now, just say now the thing don carry church. So if you look at the church don't even according to wetin I hear now, the church don't even go buy another land for another place. So which means the place now they fit come out at any moment for now, which I no fit tell, not me want tell that one because of this thing. So my own opinion be say make governor try come to our aid for here, come rescue us because we need this thing to come out. We don't want to live on like this. Now our right we dey pay tax, we dey pay tax. Okay, you dey pay tax. We dey pay tax. Okay, good. So in one way or the other, everybody when they here they pay tax. Good. You understand? So now the responsibility of government. I mean. Yes, not governor. To make use of the tax when we they pay, to make sure say they give us better thing. To the benefit of all. So now it be the reason why we say we dey cry with our government. People when they will still see and look calm, so that when our help us cry come out because this thing we don't tire. So not be the first time when we dey capture this thing, so we don't dey capture them by now. But now we don't want to make this thing come out. We don't want to make this thing result. Not be just to because according to them now they don't write no better result. For the past how many governors, but to before this one now they don't write no result. I beg we want result for this place. So now waiting and get to talk. Okay, as you can see. Gully erosion dey na dey here so, and what me see by observation na already dump site already. If I zoom out you see dirty can wey dem don select for something, you see say na dump site already. The question is that is it government, those state government through Ministry of Environment na approve this one or not? That question now we need to carry our waka go meet the permanent secretary of Ministry of Environment. Oga we dey there now na Lucky Wasa, and to carry the story go meet am, more ask am whether na they approve such dump site and the gully erosion wey dey there, whether they dey aware and which effort they don do. As they know, as we don know say this thing they don already grant am attention. They don put am for budget some years ago for Edo State, and the budget no go, e no come, and e dey paper. And the people don also write letter to draw attention of state government to ensure say they can't do am, but nothing don happen. Na make Naija Watch carry this news waka come here. As we hear for where we dey, Ifa say see wetin dey go to happen here.
Now say who not dey believe wetin we hear na wetin we see. True we see am e beat my imagination as me dey here so because me wey dey talk here the air wey dey here no be here wetin oxygen no dey here wetin me dey breathe in na disease. I know say if I come here na to go look for one doctor wey go take care of me. Me I make sure me come be say wetin me carry come here I no go carry am go share for people wey dey for my own domain. As you can see. As you can see, they say this area so river is not too far from this area. You see, say even the water we want get for that river now is the river is already poison. So the poison. Where is the duty of Ministry of Environment? What is the duty of Ministry of Infrastructure? Where is the duty of Ministry of Health? Disease control anyway that they call them. Where till you now work? The work na radio or na TV or newspaper publication. As we dey, we go going to expose everything wey dem not do well because we na Nigerians and no Nigerians as we know better pass other ones. Na our right be this, not be say na privilege. And those locals wey no dey do the right thing, government searchlight e dey na body. When government gbab you, I no know e no dey. As our mama do so for this age, you see where she dey pass, the kind risk wey our people dey pass through. As you can see, na the gully we say pass. This one na road o, no be farm road o. Na major road before o. See am inside the gully na those big trees dey so. See am, see am. Here na road. Where from the corn just now na be this so. So see na the gully. As you can see, and the gully area we see there so. I'll go around, see how people they litter the place. See, the same street, Ejale Street, Dry Street. Now we dey so. You see, me I drag am on and see am. Now we say story. See am. This is what is on ground. See am. This is what is on ground. As you can see. Some of the sufferings where we they go through for this state. This one na Ikpobaoka now dey for Ogbeson quarter. Ogbeson quarter and the gully. See ya. This one I feel let me pass here. As you can see. As a deep reach. See, it's a deep reach. As the same gully be this, na middle of road. Now you dey see so. See they go. Na road, suppose road be this so. See as this on the other side, Mona know. Not be village o, not be farm road o. Na inside the gully be that one, all the way those streets there so. See where people see try do small gutter to see remove small water enter the gully. See another one, down our street. It don't terminate for here. As you can see, may I go down. I can't carry out the can't walk. See, my brother. No be here o boss here. It deep, sir. All one day. See. Now see Ejale Street, popularly known as Mechanic Road. Now I believe we gully just finish so. For Ogbeson Quarter, Ikpobaoka local government area of Edo State. We say more draw attention of the relevant authority to come to the aid of the people here because now human being there not be good. They are Nigerian, they are Edo-like. They are citizens of this world. So they need the best too, like any other citizens. As you see here now, this leads to nowhere. Leads to nowhere, as you can see. It leads to nowhere. Okay, now the God is still pass here, so this bush, so I project they survive now.
You go see for front now. The main one, make Baba come, we'll go come.
Okay, say the main one, the real part, they from say the one where they lose since na child's play. Well done, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. So I'm from Naija Watch. Naija Watch na online TV station where you fit watch for YouTube. Na those wey dey oversee na it come together carry this station, this TV station put for ground, so I mean they know how things go be for their various community across the 18 local government of the state wey dey visit them, because anybody come from Edo state, no matter the language wey they speak, na Edo person be, so that they go know how e be for ground, so they know how to engage those wey dey authority. Na that same matter na I will get report na because come this Ogbesan, this road that they call, I don't know the name of guy again. Ediaye Street. Okay, which local government, sir? Okay, of Edo State.
That is the street where the street is.
I know.
Myself.
Okay.
I'm from Isako West.
Okay.
Edo State.
Okay.
I'm a retired director of forestry, Anthony Oregbime.
Okay, sir.
I've been in this. I've lived in this community for close to more than 20 years. Yes. I was here when I was retired in the year 2000. Okay. But I moved into this very Ediaye Street.
Yes.
In 2014. But even then I was living in another street. This Ediaye Street is the shortest straight from the express to Ikoba River.
Yes, sir.
No bend, is straight. And if it is done, there are so many other adjoining streets which we benefit from it. Most of the streets in this area, they all link up with Diali. So when I was in service and everything, I was moving with community leaders like this Odiowere, reporting Okadun, making case for this very street. These are the documents.
Okay, sir.
And through our effort, the street came out for Tari 2010. Yeah, 2010. I have the documents here. And all the evil effect, all we said about it, going back to the to government house, permanent secretary, Ministry of Works, permanent secretary, Ministry of Environment, NTA, EBS, I was bringing them here. Engineers from these ministries, from Ministry of Environment, Ministry of Water, were surveying this. We will be with them down to the river. It was the first time I got to the end of the road street and I saw Ikoba River so close here. So it came out for Tari 2010. What happened? They even bidded for it, but nothing was said again. At the end of it, they said there's a gully. The gully didn't come all of a sudden. Although they said it appeared in the name was in Nwode, but everything shows it is this very street, and yes, it is Ogbesan, Benin City. There were some streets like that which were cited or named after other area, but they were tied.
Yes.
Even in our in my own local government, I know of some that they even put them in Owa, but the very streets were tied. So it's a surprise. Thank God that the documents are still with me.
Okay,
so I will give them to you. We are not blaming anybody as such.
No, it's true.
We are still directing them to. We are pleading so that they should focus attention on this and see the importance, the need for this
road to be tied.
And if you go through all these my documents which we have written in the past, you will just see why it is necessary that they should do something. Thank you very much.
We are grateful, sir.
Anytime I see people talking about this place, about this street, I'm excited, I'm happy. It shows that there is hope.
Well done, sir.
Thank you very much.
We ensure, because the state governor Godwin Nogega Obaseki, is the current governor of the state now, and he know what to do. Like governor, me not sure saying they are aware. One of the beauty of this station, in the watch am, this online TV, and he go take note of this one.
Yes.
If he dey paper say they don chop money, he na no nonsense governor. Like me dey tell now, wey dey give work for Edo State, dey give una work for Edo State, una no wan do.
No, we are not.
No, for example, say they give you work, you no wan do, or the work they no do am, they share money. Governor Obaseki watchdog dey come for una, because him talk am, I dey talk am, I hear am for a month up to about 2 or 3 times. He say he go die for Edo State. Anything wey no make Edo people comfortable, he no go get hand inside. Him duty na to protect Edo people, and me know say he go watch, he go match those words with action. That's why we bring this matter come out so, because we know say governor na front dey look, he no dey look back. As he no dey look back, we dey bring this matter, dey come in front. May he not lis ten to the one wey dey tell am, may he look still for the one wey dey come out from the street. Na there go get guide, because him name na God win. We want may he win. We no want may he fail. Me want may he name. We want may he join Abusali. We want may he join late Dr. S.O. Ogbemudia. Na so me I end this matter. My name remain leftist Amos Agbinowaya, or maybe I never end am because they just give me signal and say e get front one place where I wan go look. But meanwhile na Edo Naija watch. So as e be, we go for the document, go this state governor, go give our able governor, may he see the effort wey they don make for this road, make they retire, because we will ensure say the truth for the street, from the ghetto, for the community, we go bring am to the table of Edo state government. Okay sir, talk to me sir.
Okay. You see this place?
Yes sir.
It was not like this about 2 years ago.
Okay.
When they start dropping their refuse, it started gradually.
Yes.
Here before has a Bahama grass.
Bahama grass, yes.
That feed the place.
Okay, sir.
If there's any rain, it will go on top of that Bahama grass to the hole.
Okay.
Then there's a lot of sand that a vehicle cannot even pass there any 2-3 days dry season.
Yes.
People living around, they don't know, they were thinking they are doing a help to us.
Yes.
They now bring out a payloader to remove that sand, then open this way. Just only 2 rain, this last year rain and this rain,
yes,
that make this place to become like this.
Gully so.
Yes.
See? Na the same road though, the same Eja road, wey they call Mechanic Road. Properly known as Mechanic Road. Now we still dey so. We want bring all the points to the notice of the state government to see wetin people they go through. As I want take am from here now, this one na some of the barrier people come put so that maybe it rain not wash pass here. But meanwhile, see am, here the smell na risk me sef dey take. So you can see children for this dangerous place.
Look at all these houses.
Can see children. These houses now we see now we store there now, nobody is operating it again. Na shadow of itself na e be now, and you can see wetin we fit happen to environment if it's not properly managed. If it starts small, but the result not always a good way. And you see, to make it worse, the locals here they make it worse. The reason not to put dirty. To put dirty will always compound the problem, go make it go worse. As it be so, this one is not good for eye at all. Make government come to do the needful, and also at a point in that same point give responsibility to areas, to locals, may they protect government infrastructure in their various domain. As I know, say na the same road na they go so where say go eat express. Me I know say government property na collective property. So we not get any other collective property we want get again upon government property, and our duty to protect and to ensure say the best come out of it, and to also ensure say government will complement the effort of the people, and people self will see complement those wey we elect to make sure say dem no fail. One of the compliment wey dem get wey we go do na be the one wey some people dey do to write letter draw at ten tion of government to make sure say they create barrier may no enter, may water no continue. We call am palliative measures. Those are not some of the contributions may people fit do to sustain development for the area to avoid problem. But those one wey come turn and say some of them everybody no fit carry help go one side, wey turn this kind of place where they put dirty, na the enemy of people na dem be, na enemy of God na dem be, and na enemy of good thing. Because anything you know say you no fit do for your house, no go do am for collective property. Because when you hold our things well, it go good for us. I don't care, no concern me. Now until they go so, and the matter ever start, if we not change our attitude. Now so we want end down, we still beg the able governor of Edo State and other federal agencies wey saddle with such responsibility. We they call them the burden to address this matter. May not be like say all those areas to go reach Guinness and other area say may not come turn to where Golo erosion don carry go. Now here Naija TV end this program today. My name as I talk remain Lefty Samuel Osaigbenawaya.